show you guys. Oh my gosh, I hope I can do it in the car. Oh my god, I'm gonna ruin this. How is it looking? The other side, I think it's matching for sure. No, this side is not as, yeah, I think I ruined this makeup with this liner now. This one is Miss Dior Blooming one. Just applying it here. This is a roll-on. It smells really good. Oh, I have a mirror here. So using that on the forehead. It has a nice smell though. It smells good. Also, I wanted to apply the skin sunscreen lotion. This is nothing special. Neutrogena Clear Face sunscreen lotion. That's what I'm gonna. It does bother my eyes a little bit, so I'm not gonna go too close to my eyes. I'm gonna keep it away from my eyes. Oh, I got it in my hair. Holding the camera with one hand and makeup with the other hand. And actually I'm holding the camera with my dominant hand and I'm applying the makeup with my left hand. Do I have a scratch on my face? Maybe it's my cat who did that. Okay, make sure you go down on your neck. Okay, now I'm thinking I'm gonna go first with my concealer. So I'm using the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. It's in shade NC25. That's my shade. So I'm gonna apply that on my eyes. Just a little bit. Okay. I do have some acne scars on my chin and some sun damage spots or whatever on around my eye area. Oh, that's better. My arm is getting tired. Just using my hands to blend the concealer around my eyes. I'm sitting in my car because the light is good here. And this is my first makeup video. Oh gosh, what happened here? Okay, let's just blend it nicely. I'm kind of taking the concealer all over my face. I don't think I need foundation at this point. Around my nose. It's a complete mess. It's all over my eyes. The heck? I need to clean this up. Oh, neighbors are looking at me like what she's doing. Okay, I do have a beauty blender. Maybe I should use that to kind of blend it in here. It's used, it's kind of dirty, but that's okay. I am the only one who uses it. We don't share beauty blenders. Oh, looking better. As you can see, my eyebrows are not that thick. I do have a lot of empty, like they're really thin, so my eyebrows are really thin, so I'm gonna fill them up. So I do have foundation here. It's also MAC. Studio Radiance MAC, and I'm gonna see if I'm gonna probably apply it a little bit on my face. Oh, it's not okay. Just a little bit. I don't want too much because I have concealer already. You can control it. I like the pumper thing because you can control it so nicely. Just blending it in on my skin with my hands. I'm not sure how this video is gonna look. If this video it didn't film too well, then I will not post it, but I'm working hard making sure. Okay, now I'm blending my concealer and my foundation that I have applied with the beauty blender. Okay, I have this is an eye kohl. It says crayon. It's an waterline pencil. I'm gonna use that. It's like golden. So I have so far foundation, concealer, and waterline pencil, the Kajal pencil. Now I'm gonna fill my brows. I'm using, this is Elf Instant Lift Brow Pencil. This is the one I'm using. It has a brush on one end and the pencil on the other side. I'm gonna use my right hand to do this because it is much easier. Okay, I'm just gonna brush them out. Okie dokie. Oh, the sun is out now. Nice. Okay, so I'm also going in with my Benefit brow pencil, and I'm gonna fill my brows, and I will do it off camera because it's really hard to do it with one hand. I'm to use eyeshadow. This is Estee Lauder. It's kind of dirty because I have like makeup finger smudges all over it, but oh gosh. Okay guys, so I'm using Estee Lauder. This is the eyeshadow palette. It has nice shades, gold and like warm shades. So I am going to apply that right on my lid with the brush that it comes with. It comes with the brush. I'm just gonna apply all over my lid basically. And then this one is the whiter, and I'm going in here with the white one. I don't know the name of these. I will post them in the bottom section, in the description, or somewhere on this video. I will definitely show you guys the picture of the colors I'm using, the eyeshadow colors I'm using. But yeah, I don't want to like go too crazy with it. So this is the brown one. I'm gonna go under my eye with this. I've seen a lot of people doing that. It looks good. I don't know if it's gonna look good on me, but that's what I'm doing right now. Kind of hard to record and film at the same time because I'm holding the camera. This is a little bit greenish shade which I'm gonna apply here. Guys, I don't know what I didn't really plan too much about this video. I just woke up and then I decided I want to film this video, so whatever I have on hand, I'm using that. And this is like, I'm not going anywhere. This is just to record a video. No special brushes or anything. Whatever the shadow palette comes with, those brushes I'm using. So far, this is what my... Oh gosh, I don't look like a raccoon, do I? Okay. So far, this is what I'm looking like. The sun is bright now. Okay, so I have the Huda Beauty. I have the Huda Beauty. This is the banana bread easy bake. That's the loose powder. I'm gonna use that on my face. Oh gosh, it's flying everywhere. Okay, so I hope it doesn't fall in my car. I'm just going in with the loose powder under my eyes. Ugh. Over here, around my nose. Ah. Oh, it's here. I thought it fell. I don't think I have a contour with me, but I just like to go with it all over my face because it kind of blurs the... It gives a nice finished look. I like that. I use that for work too, actually. The Huda Beauty banana bread. I apply that on my face before I go to work. So, and I got this actually last year, and it still has a lot. It lasts like a long time and I use it pretty much every day. So next thing I want to do maybe my lips, and then I just want to keep it simple, nothing so crazy. Oh, I didn't do my mascara. Let's do the mascara, and then I'll do my lips. Got it on my chin. Okay. I'm not gonna poke myself in the eye with the left hand, so I'm gonna use my right hand for this. Okie dokie. Oh gosh. Okay. So far, so good. Alright, now let's apply lipstick. So my go-to go-to lipstick is Huda Beauty. I absolutely love it because it lasts a long time. It's Gossip Girls from Huda Beauty. I like this because it lasts a long time and it doesn't really come off when you're eating or, you know, drinking. And it's easy to apply with this applicator that it comes with. So I'm gonna So this is Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Gossip Girls. It says lipstick, it's not a gloss, it says lipstick. It's really tiny written under there. You have to really read it carefully, but yeah. So this is my go-to this is my go-to lipstick because you can eat as much as you want, drink, it doesn't budge, it doesn't come off. I like it. I don't really like to reapply my lipsticks too much. Sometimes I don't even carry my lipstick with me when I have my Huda Beauty Gossip Girl. I'm gonna get more of these colors because I like it. I had it for a while and it's still lasting me and I use it every day. It's just there's a lot in there. It looks like it's tiny, but it's not. There's a lot in there. And this is eyeliner, which I forgot to use. This is Maybelline. Oh, whatever was in my makeup bag, I got it out. Maybelline Masterpiece All Day Liquid Liner in black. So I'm gonna apply this with my right hand, obviously, because I'm not that great at it. So I'm gonna apply it. I'm gonna show you guys. Oh my gosh, I hope I can do it in the car. Oh my god, I'm gonna ruin this. How is it looking? The other side. I don't think it's matching for sure. No, this side is not as, yeah, I think I ruined this makeup with this liner now. Oh no, but it's okay, I can fix it later. Oh my gosh, it's looking even worse. It's getting worse and worse. I'm gonna probably try to fix this off camera and then I come back and show you. Okay, so the perfume I'm gonna use is this one is Miss Dior Blooming. This one is really nice. I like this one. Just applying it here. This is a roll-on. It smells really good. This is the one I'm using, and then I'm also gonna use my Chanel. This is the one I like. This it smells really good. It has a nice decent smell. It doesn't like right in your face. I just like it. So yeah, I'm gonna use that, and then that's about it. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. This is my first makeup video.